The universe is filled with mysteries, but some of the most profound discoveries are happening right here on Earth in the very building blocks of life itself. We stand on the brink of a new era in medicine where we can use genetic knowledge to conquer diseases like cancer. This is the power of genetic testing. Imagine a future where cancer treatment is a tailored journey guided by your DNA. This is the promise of personalized medicine fueled by our understanding of the human genome. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on the latest advancements in genetic research and cancer therapies. Imagine the human genome as a vast library filled with volumes upon volumes of information. Each book represents a gene, a specific set of instructions that determine our traits, from the color of our eyes to our susceptibility to certain diseases. This genetic code, written in the language of DNA, holds the secrets to who we are. Genetic testing is the process of reading these genetic instructions, carefully examining each letter in the DNA code for any misspellings or variations. These variations, known as mutations, can sometimes disrupt the normal function of our genes, leading to diseases like cancer. Think of it like a typo in a recipe book. A single incorrect ingredient can completely alter the outcome of a dish. Similarly, a single mutation in a gene can sometimes have a profound impact on our health. By decoding the book of life through genetic testing, we gain invaluable insights into our individual risk factors, potential health challenges, and most importantly, the specific drivers of diseases like cancer. In the past, cancer treatment often resembled a carpet bombing approach, targeting rapidly dividing cells with little regard for collateral damage. But with genetic testing, we can move towards a more precise form of warfare, targeting the enemy with pinpoint accuracy. This is the essence of personalized medicine, tailoring treatment to an individual's unique genetic makeup, a future where treatments are as unique as the individuals who receive them. In the vast expanse of space, we use telescopes to detect distant objects long before they're visible to the naked eye. Similarly, in the fight against cancer, early detection is paramount. The earlier we can detect and diagnose cancer, the greater the chances of successful treatment. Genetic testing plays a crucial role in this early detection process. By analyzing an individual's DNA, we can identify inherited genetic mutations that increase the risk of developing certain types of cancer.
This knowledge empowers individuals to take proactive steps, such as increased screenings or preventative measures, to mitigate their risk. Imagine knowing years in advance that you have an increased risk of developing a certain type of cancer. This foreknowledge allows for early intervention, potentially preventing the disease from taking root in the first place. Genetic testing empowers us to shift from a reactive approach to healthcare to a proactive one, where we can identify potential threats and take steps to neutralize them before they escalate. With the latest advancements, genetic testing is now at the forefront of personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to the unique genetic makeup of each patient, leading to more effective and targeted cancer therapies.
Section 5. Unleashing the immune system. Our immune system is a powerful force constantly patrolling our bodies for foreign invaders, but cancer cells are masters of disguise, often evading detection.
CAR T-cell therapy and BiTEs harness the immune system to fight cancer. CAR T-cells are modified to recognize and attack cancer cells. These T-cells act like guided missiles, destroying cancer cells.
BiTEs link T-cells to cancer cells, facilitating their destruction. Imagine a molecular handshake bringing the immune system's weapons to their target. Section 6. Inherited risks. Knowledge is power. We inherit traits from our parents, from the color of our hair to our predisposition to certain diseases. Just like eye color, the risk of developing certain cancers can also be passed down through generations. This is known as inherited cancer risk.
Genetic testing can identify these inherited genetic mutations, providing individuals with valuable information about their personal risk factors. Knowledge is power, and understanding our genetic predispositions empowers us to make informed decisions about our health. For those found to have an increased risk, there are often steps that can be taken to mitigate that risk, such as increased screenings, lifestyle modifications, or even preventative surgery in some cases. By understanding our genetic inheritance, we can take control of our health destiny.
Genetic testing doesn't predict the future, but it provides us with a roadmap, highlighting potential obstacles and empowering us to navigate our health journey with greater awareness and control. Section 7. Innovative Approaches in Cancer Treatment. For decades, surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation have formed the cornerstone of cancer treatment. While these approaches remain important tools in the fight against cancer, they often come with significant side effects. Genetic testing is revolutionizing cancer treatment by paving the way for innovative, targeted therapies. By understanding the specific genetic mutations driving a person's cancer, doctors can develop therapies that precisely target these mutations, maximizing efficacy while minimizing harm to healthy cells. This targeted approach is transforming cancer care, offering new hope to patients who may not have responded well to traditional treatments. Imagine a future where cancer treatment is no longer a blunt instrument but a scalpel, precisely excising the disease while preserving the surrounding healthy tissue. This is the promise of personalized medicine, a future where treatments are as sophisticated and nuanced as the disease itself. Genetic testing is not just about identifying the enemy, it's about understanding its weaknesses and developing innovative therapies to achieve a lasting victory. Section 8. CRISPR, a revolution in editing life. In the vast tapestry of life, DNA is the thread that connects us all. And just like a tapestry, sometimes there are errors in the weaving, small imperfections that can have profound consequences.
CRISPR technology, a revolutionary gene editing tool, gives us the power to correct these errors, potentially rewriting the story of disease. CRISPR acts like a pair of molecular scissors, allowing scientists to precisely cut and edit DNA sequences. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to revolutionize medicine, offering new hope for treating a wide range of diseases, including cancer.
Imagine a future where we can literally cut out the genetic mutations that cause cancer, replacing them with healthy sequences. This is the promise of CRISPR, a technology that could one day make cancer a thing of the past. While still in its early stages of development, CRISPR holds immense potential for the future of medicine, offering a level of precision and control over our genetic destiny that was once unimaginable. Section 9. Nature's Toolkit. Nature is the ultimate innovator, constantly experimenting and refining solutions over billions of years. CRISPR, while a testament to human ingenuity, is actually inspired by a natural defense mechanism found in bacteria. Bacteria use CRISPR to defend themselves against invading viruses by cutting up the viral DNA and incorporating fragments of it into their own genome. This creates a genetic memory that allows the bacteria to recognize and destroy the virus if it attacks again. Scientists have harnessed this natural process, transforming CRISPR into a powerful gene-editing tool with the potential to cure diseases, engineer drought-resistant crops, and even resurrect extinct species. By studying the natural world, we gain invaluable insights that can be applied to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. CRISPR is a powerful reminder that the solutions to our problems often lie hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. Section 10. Empowering patients, transforming care. The universe is full of wonders, but none are more profound than the human body. Within each of us lies a universe of cells, each carrying a complete set of instructions that determine who we are. Genetic testing unlocks these instructions, empowering us to take control of our health. By understanding our genetic predispositions, we can make informed decisions about our health, from lifestyle choices to preventative screenings.
Genetic testing doesn't predict the future, but it provides us with a roadmap, highlighting potential obstacles and empowering us to navigate our health journey with greater awareness and control. Talk to your doctor about genetic testing. Explore the possibilities of personalized medicine. The future of healthcare is here, and it's personalized, proactive, and driven by the power of your own genetic code.
Section 11. A future free from fear. For generations, cancer has been a source of fear and uncertainty, casting a long shadow over countless lives. But today we stand on the cusp of a new era, one where we can confront this disease with greater knowledge, more precise tools, and a renewed sense of hope. Genetic testing is not just about identifying cancer, it's about understanding its weaknesses and exploiting them to achieve a lasting victory. It's about empowering patients, transforming care, and ultimately creating a future where cancer no longer holds the power to instill fear. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, Earth is a tiny oasis, a fragile cradle of life. It's our duty to protect this planet and all its inhabitants, to push the boundaries of knowledge, and to strive for a future where diseases like cancer no longer threaten our existence. The journey to conquer cancer is a marathon, not a sprint. But with each step forward, with each new discovery, we move closer to a future free from fear, a future where every life can reach its full potential. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the power of genetic testing and cancer treatment. Stay informed, stay empowered, and together let's work towards a future free from fear. As we conclude, remember that the fight against cancer is a collective effort. Researchers, healthcare professionals, patients, and their families are all part of this journey. Each discovery, each breakthrough brings us one step closer to a world where cancer is not a sentence, but a challenge we can overcome. The road ahead is paved with possibilities. With the advent of new technologies and the unyielding spirit of innovation, we are not just imagining a future free from fear, we are actively building it. A future where early detection, personalized treatments, and preventative measures become the norm rather than the exception. So, let's continue to support scientific research, advocate for patient rights, and spread awareness. Let's be the generation that turns the tide in the battle against cancer. Together, we can create a world where the shadow of cancer no longer looms large, where hope and health triumph over despair and disease. Thank you for being part of this journey. Until next time, stay hopeful, stay strong, and never stop believing in the power of progress.